Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 4.2 question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now A is A. Here it is 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Adding 2 on both sides. Adding 2 on both sides, we get adding 2 on both sides we get, that is 3n minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 46 plus 2, right? Therefore 3n minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 3n is equal to 48. Now dividing both sides by 3, we get 3n by 3 is equal to 48 by 3. This 3 will become 3 1 3, 3 1 3, and 3 1 3, 3 1 3, 18, 3 6 18. Therefore n is equal to 16, right? N is equal to 16. Now question number B. Question number B is, now question number B is, here you see question number B is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Subtracting 7 on both sides. Subtracting 7 on both sides. Subtracting 7 on both sides, we get 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. That is 5m is equal to, plus and minus 1 is 0, 17 minus 7, that is 10. Now dividing both sides, by 5, we get 5m by 5 is equal to 10 by 5. That is this 5 1 5, 5 1 5, 5 1 5, 5 2 10. Therefore m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2, right? Therefore we get m is equal to 2. Now question number C. Question number C is, now here question number C is 20p by 3 is equal to 40. Multiplying 3 on both sides, we get 20p by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. This 3 will cut, 3 1 3, 3 1 3. That is 20p. 20p is equal to 4 3 12, 120. Therefore, p is equal to 120 by 20. This 0 will be cut, 2 1 2, 2 6 12. Therefore, p is equal to 6. This is question number C. Now, question number D. Question number D is, here what we have done, here in this step, dividing both sides by 20, right? That means 20p divided by 20 is equal to 120 by 20. After this, we'll get this value. 21 is 20, 20 is 20, right? Therefore, after that, p is equal to 120 by 20. That means here, dividing both sides by 20, dividing both sides by 20, we get in this here there are two steps. Now question number D. Question number D is, now question number D. Question number D is 3p by 10 is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides by 10, we get, multiplying both sides by 10 we get, that is 3p by 10 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10. This 10, 10 1 is 10, 10 1 is 10. Therefore, 3p is equal to 60. Dividing both sides by 3, we get, dividing both sides by 3 we get, that is 3p by 3 is equal to 60 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3 and 3 2 is 6, 0. Therefore, p is equal to 20. Therefore, we get p is equal to 20. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.